Hi everyone, welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies and a how-to video on how to take pictures of your cars with a simple cell phone using forced perspective. It's super easy to do, but a lot of people have never done it before. So stick around and I'll show you how to do it. Alright, let's start. I have an iPhone SE, but really any iPhone will work because the old one that she's recording on right now is what I used to do the pictures last fall. So what I'll do is I'll go into photos and then I'll take and pinch and I will bring this as far back away as I can. Make everything as small as you can. And then when you come in close to them, it'll make them larger and the background stays in focus. So I'll take a shot right there and we'll put that on so it's up close and you can see. But then what you want to do is take a whole bunch of them at different angles. It's not like it's film that you have to get developed, so don't worry about wasting the film. Just worry about working on angles, change your angles around and see up and down just a little bit and back and forth. And what you're going to end up doing is pitching. See how that when you go off angle a little bit, it throws everything off. But you come back just a smidge and come forward just a smidge and check it out. Now I'm on the blacktop. I got the garage in. I'll come up just a little bit and get everybody in the garage. And there we go. So that's how I do that. Now what I'll do is I'll set up and move around a little bit. I'll move the cars back and forth and all that. Right now I'm in the shadow of a tree, which gives me some pretty cool light on there. And it's not that blazing sun that'll just make reflections and make it hard to pick out a lot of the good details. And if your paint job's not the best, a little bit of shade will actually help you out here. So let me jump into some music